Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage, welcome back to the channel and video number 4 of the C5 FRC rebuild. Let me show you what we've got going on and just bring you up to speed on what's done. But before I forget, be sure to hit that like button, does the channel a whole lot of good, greatly appreciated, and go over and hit that subscribe button. All right, so here's where we're at on the FRC project. So we got the car in here, got it up on stands, did the teardown. You guys have been here for that, and started working on all the suspension on it. So the suspension is all done, and a couple people have asked, how do you get your suspension and chassis looking so factory new? So today I'm going to show you, but in the meantime, just walking around the car. So basically went through that whole headlight assembly, lubricated everything in it. Same thing over here, took that one completely apart, got everything all lubricated up. We have fixed the fiberglass damage that was down here. We've taken the entire cooling system out of this. We found some pretty gnarly leaks, so I got some oil eater working on that right now. But the suspension around the car is completely done. I've taken care of a bunch of the wiring that needed to. The only thing I don't have is I just don't have the rear shocks yet. Same thing back here, everything's been washed, including the wiring harness. Fix some spots on that harness, fix some ABS wiring issues, and at this point I'm about ready to start getting this thing ready to paint. Okay, so back to the reason why we're here, and the industry secret is for me to get these type of results. And if you want these type of results on your Corvette, these are the two things that I use. I use Duragloss 861, been using this stuff forever. You can pick that up on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. And Simcoat I've probably been using for 25 plus years. And this is what gives you that really nice factory black finish. You're not gonna find this at O'Reilly. You're not gonna find it at AutoZone. You can find it on Amazon. Again, I'll put a link below. Or you can find this at your automotive professional paint stores, but this is the industry standard to get this type of result. I want to show you just how fast this aluminum brightener works. First thing, put some gloves on. It is acid. Get you a good 3M Scotch Brite pad. Just put you a little spot on there. And I haven't cleaned any of this. By the way, that's the fuel tank shield. That is how nice it'll clean up your aluminum. That's not going to clean up quite as fast, but it's still pretty fast.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Again, be sure to wear gloves. It's muriatic acid. It will blister you up. Wear safety glasses as well.
Brian, I'm going to be honest with you, that smells like pure ass.
Duragloss SEM Trim Black is the best. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again later on this week.